Hi Glow Gang, I'm Sarah, one of the co-founders of Glow Recipe, and I'm here today with my co-founder Christine. We're so excited to introduce our first acid treatment for blemish-prone skin in a new fruit franchise to the Glow Recipe family, the new Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum.
When we asked our Glow Gang about their top skincare concerns, breakouts and texture were consistently at the top of the list. Breakouts and texture can mean anything from rough patches, flaky skin, dry patches, fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, whiteheads, and even blackheads.
We knew that strawberry was the ideal blemish-fighting fruit. Strawberry water, enzymes, and leaf extract naturally possess BHA, and strawberry is also rich in antioxidants and brightening vitamin C.
Strawberry Smooth contains a 10% clarity acid complex, which is a blend of different acids, including 2% salicylic acid and 1% AHAs, to smooth, decongest, soothe, and prevent breakouts more effectively than one acid alone.
Also in our 10% clarity acid complex is mandelic acid, a great AHA to treat blemish-prone skin and the appearance of fine lines by supporting cell turnover through exfoliation. By exfoliating the skin, it helps to brighten the complexion and reduce the look of post-acne marks over time, while succinic acid hydrates, soothes, and decongests.
Staying true to our formulation philosophy, we added additional hydrating and soothing ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and allantoin to prevent skin from feeling overly dry and tight like other traditional acid treatments, making Strawberry Smooth a gentle yet effective treatment for all skin types, including sensitive skin.
This non-greasy, non-sticky, and pillowy water gel texture can be applied once or twice daily before moisturizer. We can't wait for you to meet our new Strawberry Smooth Serum, our most powerful yet soothing AHA and BHA formula to smooth buff texture, pores, and treat and prevent breakouts for clear, hydrated skin.
Until next time, get your glow on!